Hi everyone. I am ESPIN Sarah. I will be your host for this presentation. Revolutionizing software testing. What is codeless automation? What is codeless automation? Codeless automation allows teams to automate software tests without writing code. Using intuitive visual tools like drag-and-drop interfaces or record and playback, even non-technical users can create automated tests quickly and efficiently. This approach bridges the gap between technical and non-technical team members, enabling testers, product owners, and business analysts to actively participate in automation without relying on developers. The result is faster testing, broader team involvement, and higher software quality. In short, codeless automation democratizes testing, making it accessible, efficient, and impactful across the organization. Evolution of automation testing. It all started with manual testing, where testers executed test cases by hand. This was slow, error-prone, and couldn't keep up with growing software complexity. Then came automation testing, where scripts written in languages like Java or Python helped execute repetitive tests faster and more reliably. Over time, these scripts evolved into complex automation frameworks, requiring deep programming knowledge and careful management. Finally, we've reached codeless automation. These tools make it possible to automate tests without coding, allowing even non-technical team members to contribute. This represents the next step in making testing faster, simpler, and more accessible across the organization. Codeless automation did not emerge overnight. It developed as a result of several important trends coming together. First, there was an increased demand for speed and agility. With the rise of Agile, DevOps, and CI/CD, development cycles became much shorter. Organizations needed faster testing, but not everyone had coding skills. Codeless automation addressed this gap by allowing more people to take part in test automation. Second, advances in artificial intelligence and machine learning played a major role. These technologies enabled tools to learn from data, predict issues, and even generate test cases automatically, reducing the need for manual coding. Third, the shift toward user-centered design made a big difference. Modern tools were built with simple, intuitive, visual interfaces, making them accessible to non-technical users such as QA professionals, business analysts, and product managers. Finally, the widespread adoption of cloud-based tools accelerated growth. Many codeless platforms are now delivered as SaaS products, making them easy to access, scalable, and simple to integrate into DevOps environments. Together, these factors led to the rise of codeless automation as a practical, efficient, and widely accessible solution for modern testing needs. Codeless automation provides several compelling benefits that make it a valuable solution for modern organizations. First, it lowers the barrier to entry. Non-technical users, such as testers and business professionals, can create automated tests without writing code, enabling broader participation in the testing process. Second, it accelerates time to market. Tests are quicker to create and run, allowing seamless integration into Agile and CI/CD pipelines while maintaining quality. Third, it enhances collaboration. Development, QA, and business teams can work more closely, resulting in better test coverage and stronger alignment with business requirements. It also delivers cost savings by reducing the need for specialized automation engineers and simplifying the management of automation frameworks, which is particularly valuable for small and mid-sized organizations. Finally, it offers ease of maintenance. User-friendly interfaces make it faster to update and modify tests as applications evolve, ensuring automation keeps pace with development. Codeless automation offers significant advantages, but it raises questions about the future of traditional technical roles in software testing. The most obvious impact is the potential displacement of technical jobs. As non-technical users can now create and maintain automated tests, the demand for traditional automation engineers may decline, and some roles may change or become less central in certain organizations. There will be shift in skills. In other words, the role of technical expertise will change. Testers still require a strong understanding of software testing fundamentals, test strategy, and test case design. Skilled professionals will continue to be needed to integrate tools into complex DevOps pipelines and optimize automation frameworks. The role of the automation engineer is evolving. Rather than writing low-level scripts, engineers now focus on configuring and managing codeless tools, maintaining advanced frameworks, and ensuring seamless integration into the development process. Finally, as automation becomes less technically complex, testers can focus on higher-level tasks like test strategy, design, and management, shifting from coding to decision-making and adding greater value by aligning testing with business goals and product requirements. So, will codeless automation replace traditional role? The answer, not entirely. Codeless automation won't fully replace traditional roles, but it will change them. It moves testers and engineers away from routine coding toward strategy, oversight, and optimization, making their work more valuable. Thank you for listening to our presentation. For inquiries, feel free to email us at info@espincorp.com or visit our website. Thank you again.